Welcome to NewTechWood Australia. In this video we're going to talk you through the range of decking accessories that we provide for you to value add for your customers and their decking needs. The first accessory we're going to talk about is our SIROS Deck Lights. These are a really high quality light kit that come with everything you need and very simple, so you don't need any electrician to install, very easy for the DIYer to put it in themselves. They're low voltage. It comes with the 12 volt driver, which just has your 10 amp 3-pin plug, so it's plug and play. All of the screw connectors are simple male-female connectors, so it's got a little tab down the bottom which it can only go in the one orientation, so very simple. The screw connectors are all IP67 rated, so fully weatherproof, so obviously very suitable for the outdoor placement. They come with a 50,000 hour lifespan, so very durable. It has a 304 stainless steel casing and 1 metre of cable with each light, which means you can have a maximum of 2 metre space and 20 metres with the total kit, as it comes with 10 lights in total. There's optional accessories of dimmer as well, if the user would like the capability to lower the light threshold. And also 2 and 5 metre cable extenders. So say you have a larger gap than the 2 metres between lights, or you're looking to do lighting in a couple of decking sections within the home, you simply connect the cable extenders to create that longer range between the lights. They all get wired in series. It comes with the cap for the final connector to ensure no moisture gets into the system. It even comes with the screws for the driver, so you have everything you need to install your deck lights. These are a really good value add for your customers because they're spending a lot of money on their deck, and it doesn't just have to be a NewTechWood deck that these are utilised in. These are a great way for them to really make the deck pop out and have good aesthetics. It can be good for safety purposes as well. If the deck is at an entranceway or there's stairs or raised edges, you can really have the lights there to accentuate those at night and stop them from being hazards. For more information on the deck lights, please get in touch as required. Another great accessory we provide is the Deckhedz Composite Screws. So these are a really good and efficient way of securing composite decks that require face fixing and top fix. They come in a variety of different sizes. We have the CDS and CSM screws. So CDS is the timber fix, CSM is for metal fix when you're going into your steel frames. These are a 10 gauge by 65 long screw. So these would be used for your top boards like your picture framing and your breaker boards. They're specifically designed for use with composite boards, so you only have to pre-drill. They have a reverse thread at the top that will self-countersink, so it saves a lot of time and energy on installation and makes sure that they get a nice flush finish. The heads are coloured to tie in with our NewTechWood profiles as well, so the top fixings will blend in with our profile as much as possible. They will work well with other manufacturers' composite colours as well. They're a 304 stainless steel, so very durable and suitable for an outdoor installation. For the CDS timber fix screws, they come in packets of 100 or boxes of 400. For the CSM metal fix, you can get them in boxes of 250 or bags of 100, so you can suitably provide for the deck installation as required without surplus. Moving on, we also offer the fascia screw as well. So this is an 8 gauge by 50 mil used for fixing the fascia boards along the vertical face to hide your subframe. Again, these have a coloured head to tie in with the NewTechWood profiles, but can be used with other brands as required. And you just need to pre-drill and the screw goes in from there. And they come in packets of 100. Obviously, in addition to the deck heads, we provide the array of clips from NewTechWood with the Cobra clip for the 5.5 mil gap, the mini gap MG1 and 2s for the 1.5 mil gap clip, and start and end clips as required as well. Another accessory that we do for the NewTechWood composite boards is the de-scratch wax pens. Now these perform a great function if you've got a light scratch or a light gouge in the decking profile. You can actually rub the wax in to fill in that scratch, and it will conceal it to a very high degree. Unfortunately, if you've got a deep gouge, it's probably not going to do a lot of concealment, but really handy just for those light scratches and gouges to save the replacement of boards. And these are available in all the NewTechWood standard colours. The next accessory we're going to talk about are the NIVO Pedestals, and these are a really simple system that is easy to install. The primary application has been rooftop or balcony decks where you've got a waterproof membrane that they don't want any masonry fixings penetrating through and creating a possibility for moisture to get into the pad. The pedestals just sit on the concrete floor. You can use an adhesive to hold them in place. Your timber subframe goes over the top and then your decking boards are installed. We are finding there are a lot of applications in other residential and commercial projects as well, where an existing hardscape exists, like a paving or concrete that they would like to go over and rejuvenate by installing a deck. This can save a huge amount of time and labour and costs to the overall project by simply going straight over the top of that hardscape without the effort to remove and the cost of disposal as well. They come in 5 different sizes. You have a 25 to 40 mil, a 40 mil to 60 mil, 50 mil to 80 mil, an 80 mil to 140 mil, and a 140 mil to 230 mil. In addition to that, you also have height extenders, which are about 80 mil. Adding that on top of the 230 mil model, you can get to a maximum pedestal height of 530 mil, meaning from a minimum of 25 to 530. If you have steps or set downs or raised areas within the deck, you can do that all with the pedestal system as well. We also have slope correctors available too. So if the area is in a slight incline or decline, you can correct that to a 2 or a 5 degree setting with the slope correctors. They're very easy to use, adjustable just by simply screwing to the right height that you want, aligning that angle with your subframe direction, positioning down on your hardscape, and then your subframe can be connected in to tie it all in together. The strength is another big feature of the NIVO pedestals. Each can withstand 1,000 kilos per pedestal, so a very strong unit. So we've covered the array of decking accessories that we also offer. For more information, please head to the website, newtechwood.com.au, for further information on all of the decking accessories. Also more technical information available in the reseller login area that you have access to as well. And if we can assist with any further info, please get in touch with the office.